What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the hood latch on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I want to pull this trim panel off, take these little push clips out. What you do is you push down just a little bit on the clip, and just slide it out. Just use a pocket screwdriver or a pick. Just grab that panel, slide it out. All right, I just want to clean this area right here. I'm just going to use a little brake parts cleaner, a rag. You could use some alcohol right there and right there. So because I want this to go in the exact location of where it came out, just take a felt tip marker and just mark where the latch is before you take the bolts out. The same on there. All right, just gonna take this cable off, just slide it out, just like that, and slide the ball off right there, set that aside. Take a 10mm socket and a ratchet, and there's 3 bolts, these 2 right here, and then 1 underneath here. Take these out. All right, pull that off. All right, I'll just take the latch, take the bolts, get these back in position. Use the ratchet. Once I get this closer, then I'll move the latch. Okay, it's close, right there, and right there. Right, snug that up. Do the same on this side. Alright, if you have to move it a little bit, you can loosen this up. Just a little. Get that closer. And tighten that up. Snug that up. And tighten the last one. And snug that up. And this part is very important. You want to make sure you hook the cable back up. So slide the ball, part of the cable through there, and make sure this goes right here. And it's locked in. You should be good to go. And just take this cover. We'll just slide this back in position. Just like that. Make sure everything lines up. And now we're just gonna have to reset these push pins. Just push this tab back so the center piece is popping out like that. Slide it in position and then push the button down so it's flush. Do that for all of them.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.